How to change voice on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can change your voice on TikTok. So first of all, open your TikTok app. And now make sure you have updated your TikTok app, as you can only change your voice on the latest update of TikTok. And also make sure you are logged into your TikTok account. Now once you've done both of them, tap on this plus icon on the bottom side of the screen. And now you'll have to record something. So, hi everyone, this is for a tutorial video. After that, you'll have to tap on this stick icon which is right over here. And now it will take you to this page where you'll have to tap on the option audio editing. Now simply tap on record and let this finish. Now once you've done that, simply select any filter which you want. Once you've done that, tap on play.
Hi everyone, this is for a tutorial video.
And that is basically how you change your voice on TikTok. And now you can select any one of these. So simply select and then play it.
Hi everyone, this is for a tutorial video.
And that is basically how you change your voice on TikTok. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.